This is a 2019 Mercedes-Benz 144 crew van, finished in iridium silver with a black leatherette seating package for 5. Comes with a 3-seat bench in the rear, 2 captain's chairs in the front. It's a 3.0 liter diesel, producing 188 horsepower, 325 foot-pounds of torque, and has a 7-speed transmission. Rear cargo capacity is just at 8 feet with the rear seat added. Rear seat removed, you'll have about 11 feet of cargo capacity. The vehicle sits at just over 6 feet high in standing height, just under 20 feet total length, and a total height of just under 9 feet. It comes with automatic headlamps, power windows, power locks, Mercedes standard radio, and climate control. Push button start, and has an MSRP at just under $50,000.